Professor Aframialdis. We will start with Ninos patent.
Tony Pameto, abitun roba basime qed tuita aha laha jitani shabira shura laha shurilo tuita dobromitet afram yakum أنا بغزايم أني كما دانا قد سويدن ختم الشغلات بتاعنا أنا شغلات الروما الشعبية قد خزيري من خد شلون قد أفرميات قد بعدين وأنا أخ خدنا ميديا أخ شتسانة خدنا ميديا قمت هي أيني كل بتاعنا إلى بغزايم وأنا شغلات قد لها خزيري إنا روبا ميانت هيبي قمت ديان وقبل هذا أنا هربوت يتيجبن يعني مرزوي بغداد روبا بغداد يوم قد لخا إيمن وخدت روبا يطلق قد أدخل كسخا بروفيسور كليبن قد كل هيبي أمر إلى خينا بين تانا نا يورو لخا إن أخنا كلنا خيدة ميلادة أطرايت قد إيكت إيبا في الدنيا من أمريكا من كندا من أستراليا من لها يورو قد لخا شعبرتا أخنوهم دوتون سابودا دوزويتا أنا بغدايا من شول قد ميوت مليون تلخا إلى خامني روبا أنا قاية جو خيوتت داتيتت أمتنية قد أمتن جو أطرا بسبارنا قد أخنا من جانوتا من دنا أطروات ماروا قد تيبا بخ جو بتفاتن رابا شولانا لخما بيخاروه مقداره بخ أني أين الله إلا قد أنصخ خهايات هيرخ من أني قد أنصي بشي جو أطرد أبعاتا قد خاقلتا أويا قد خيوما أويا أخنا خينا نرى بقصة أبعاتا ويوم أعرف أن الشخص سهلة ستيتهم أسيريا خاية حيتا من بار ترقل باجتماع الشنة قد إمبراطورينا بلتلا بخيرت ويدالة ودخت زيلا هذه البانل قامتها ومن دي قامة يو خيوتا قد أخنا جري completely من يو تخمنتا شكلها أهم مرة روب الصوانة شكلها خلي إلى victimization قد أخنا كل خامنا individual كل خا برصوبة جري شكلها وينطق ما خيلة إتن جابت كل خامنا جابت روبا خيلة إتن جابت أفرميالدس بروفيسور لك كل يالت قد أخنا إتلان إتلو روبا خيلة جبارة كم صخ طيران مجوجخنون وكم صخ ماذا ألدون نيشان أصلايا قد خايهيتا ديرخ ألدون شبرة إتفالة آتور تامتا وعادية احنا بانخلا من شارتا ولا تعنيتون خيلة لتلان لا تعنيتون منيالة لتلان لا تعنيتون زوزة لتلان كل خامن دي احنا بتشارخله وباسولتا بهذا القامة وبخيلة مريا بخيلة دارهم بينا بتخمنيات الجانا بدن وجابت قد global governance بالميال وناليتوتا أنا بهيبي من يخادون روبرت شيتا كل خا وجابت خزيتولا لا منيزخ بدو دخل عشولا بهذا القامة على هناطر كلهم خير على جتاني كونفرنس قامت للأخذتية إن بالتريك روبا بابا منتية بكل خير تتفعل للأسف القامة. هذه أنا ميكروفون يبدأ يقرأ.
أو تراوس ملزع وزع في خادم ورجلي لك بعد الكابت. أو تغاو السيمي وبانا بما مغزن ما شاري رايت قبل طيبوتا دي لادي قيتا لادي قشتا ولادي سويانا وعجبونا التلفونا تا إيقارا وتحبا الأمتن إيقارا. I'm shifting to English because there are so many people that probably are not so fluent, not only in Eastern dialect, but that's why. So thank you very much for the invitation. I'm happy, I'm honored, and I'm especially thankful for this invitation by the Assyrian Confederation of Europe to participate in a topic which is too close to my heart. So, and that's in reality the main reason why I'm here. But I'm not going to bore you with ideals and wishes and so on. But I'm very pragmatic. I'm very practical, and just mention you the possibilities we could deal with, we could work on, in order to get a slight step, a path, to develop, to help, and to become what we are looking for, a nation, a people who is just trying to emancipate in two ways. From an ecclesiastical point of view, we are just starting to say, look, we have to work on our one. Again, wonderful idea. But how to deal with it? In which fronts and fields we have to work on? This is one of the main and most important points we have to discuss up. And one of the things, because everybody should work in that field where he is effective. We Assyrians, and I'm one of them, I'm the first in this sense, we talk too much and we do too less. I'm among my people and I talk what I feel and what I have experienced here. So let's be very, very practical, very, very, simple in that sense. And that's why I'm just telling you a bit upon the possibilities we have been exploring. And tomorrow we will have a long talk about the Aramaic language, but not focused on its evolution, but focused on how we can use it in order to become one. And there are projects. And about what I'm really happy is the presence of the youth. The incoming generation is still now here. He's old. I'm a bit younger than him, but we have to look to the other, a bit younger generation who should be pushed, who should be supported. And this support is a very, very important point too that must be discussed here. So let's be very clear. There are so many fields. One of the fields where I'm working on is working on the education process. A people without a language can't become a people. Forget it. This is the first step. Don't ask for the territory. Don't ask for the different problems we have, the inner problems. You belong to this church, and ask how your kid thinks, in what language he dreams. If your kid dreams in Assyrian Aramaic, then you can feel and you can be sure that you will become one mighty nation in the future. But if you don't achieve that point, forget other important projects. In this sense, we have started many years. It's about 21 years we have been working on different projects at the university, at the state university, where we don't depend on the mercy of donation or aid. This is the first step we have to work out. How many people are engaged at state universities to cooperate, to work together? There are other initiatives like projects, like Mara project. I don't know how many people have heard about that. And it's still in Sweden. And they have done a huge work. You know how many documentations are still there waiting for some mad guy like me who deals with the language, but he could deal like Thomas Ischet. He's been collecting during years. a huge sum of material that nobody has read on. So we need educated people, a people without its basis, which must be based on language, history, and literature as first step. You can't convince the other governments telling them, yeah, we were a mighty Assyria. Forget that. Other things, works like Nina Lamassu is working on. Reviews, works written in our own language. I enjoy it so much. I use them in my classes as exercises for my students. This is what we have to do. This is how we have to work. Sharing, first step. We haven't learned to share. We haven't learned to cooperate. We are really generous, yes. But somehow we haven't been able to, to put it on the way and to recreate what has been stopped a long time ago. I don't know, I'm not going to take more time. Tomorrow we will talk about these projects, these ideas, and what we are able to do is to be conscious of a fact. We are very limited from an economic point of view, from a political point of view, but we are powerful if we put our forces together. And this is what we have to learn, because we haven't given enough time to cooperate, to work together, because if we don't do it, no foreigner, as he's insisted, no foreigner will come and say, look, I'm giving you your nation back, I'm going to help recovering your language, and I feel sadness each time I see that there are so few people living, for example, with the modern language or modern Assyrian language. Why? Because we have been depending always on the outsiders and of foreigners, Americans, English professors, Germans, French, and so on. And let's ask the question, and with this I will finish. Are we really convinced to be a nation? I'm absolutely convinced. And I hope that everybody who is here is convinced. But being convinced has its consequences. And let's work on those points that, exige a concept. When you get married, you're promised to be, and deal with your nation, with your patrimony, with your treasure in these terms of promise that is really even dropped not by a signature but by blood. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your precious words.